Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for subscribing to the YouTube channel Chris Sells Cars. This is Chris Ogene once again at Fitzgerald Toyota in Gaithersburg, Maryland, with a delight for the off-road enthusiasts. This one is a brand new 2025 completely redesigned Toyota 4Runner, and this one is the TRD Offroad Premium iForce Max, and that means that this is a hybrid 4x4. All right, this one is in the exciting new color called Everest. It's a very interesting blue-green color, and this one comes with the two-tone alloy wheels right there with the TRD center cap. It has your signature 4Runner mud guards on it, as well as the long and wide fixed running board. All right, if you come to the front here, you can see how beautiful this Everest color is. I'm gonna pan out just so you can see what the color looks like. It's a blue-green color, and there's an air displacement system attached to the fender flares right there. It also has the front parking sensors on the vehicle. Front parking sensors. It also has the 360 bird's eye view as part of the premium package right there that co-witnesses with a tiny camera at the top of the windscreen to form your lane tracing assist function. It has a radar right behind this flat panel that also works with that 360 bird's eye view camera to form your lane departure alert. It has the strip style LED headlights, projector beam headlights, fog lights right there, as well as the air dam. That's called an air dam that aids in the aerodynamics of the vehicle, fuel economy, and also prevents debris from getting off the road and under the vehicle. Come over here, you can see under right there. Again, front parking sensors, air displacement system. Come over here, you can see the iForce Max badging, so you know that this is hybrid. You have your blinking lane change indicators right here, as well as your 360 bird's eye view camera right there. That's your fixed running board. And if you come down here, you'll see the mud guards. This one has the dimple right here for your remote keyless entry into the vehicle. You have your blind spot monitor on both side mirrors, which are also heated mirrors. You have your roof rack right here, and you can put crossbars on the vehicle. You also have your moonroof. It's an opening moonroof, sunroof. Come over here on the inside. You have your power chair with the lumbar support. Beautiful textured and perforated Softex leather in black. All weather mats throughout the vehicle. You also have your auxiliary controls. You have your hood opener, as well as the light that goes on in the back of the vehicle. Memory setting for up to 2 drivers. All right, so that's really, really cool. Come over here. You can see the moonroof again right there. This one has the 14-inch touchscreen right there. And it has your backup camera with the projected path. So that's your backup camera with the 360 bird's eye view and the projected path right there. All right, this is a really nicely loaded vehicle. It has your heated steering wheel settings, both heating and cooling on the seats in the front. It also has your wireless charger for you to wirelessly charge your devices, your different drive settings, 4-wheel high and low, 2-wheel drive, as well as your towing controls, your multi-terrain selector, and your downward assist crawl system. There is the button for your 360 bird's eye view. You press one button, it pans around, and after it finishes panning, it'll give you an aerial view, a 360 view of the vehicle, and then a bird's eye view from the top. This is really, really a nicely loaded vehicle. Look at that. All right. It also has your automatic braking, collision mitigation. It has a digital rear view camera. It's an analog right now, so you can see my hand. And then with a switch of the button, it goes into digital mode. No interference from inside the cabin. It uses an external camera to give you your view. It'll show you 6 lanes on the highway. It also has your SOS button for your connected services, Remote Connect, Safety Connect, and Service Connect. The vehicle can remote start. Also has a 12.3-inch digital cluster on the front with all of your different settings right there. The vehicle supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and other apps that you may have. And if you look in the back, you'll see ample seating for up to 3 adults. It does have the JBL sound system throughout the vehicle. Very advanced vehicle for anybody who wants a tech update on their off-roading vehicle or an SUV that can have enough space on the inside. Again, memory setting for up to 2 drivers. Come to the back here, you can see the TRD Offroad badging in the back there. Again, ample seating for up to 3 adults in the back. Magazine pockets in the back. Your air vents in the back. 2 USB-C chargers, as well as a grounded outlet, 3-prong outlet to power up your devices in the back. Again, the all-weather mats throughout the vehicle. JBL systems throughout the vehicle. There you go with your mud flaps with the 4Runner signature on them. And then come to the back here, you can see the back parking sensors on the back, as well as the iForce Max badging that lets you know this is a hybrid. It has the integrated hitch as well as the hitch wiring harness for your plug-and-play tow controls. These are your external cameras, your backup camera, and your 360 bird's eye view camera. Once I press a button, the back opens right there, and then you can see a lot of space in the back here. All right, you have your first aid kit in the back here. You have your JBL sound system, another grounded outlet right there for your power devices, laptops, tools, and then it has carpet mats as well that you can interchange. You do not use the carpet and the all-weather mats on top of each other for safety reasons, okay? All of this is inside your package, and if you'd like this vehicle in your driveway, all you got to do is call Chris Ogene at 202-607-9517. Again, this is a brand new 2025 Toyota 4Runner, completely redesigned TRD Off-Road Premium iForce Max in the unique Everest color. All right, I'm going to come a little bit closer so you can see it again. You want to call Chris Ogene as soon as possible at 202-607-9517. Thank you, and have a fantastic day.